Good morning. This is day 2. Aggie is up and about. They still haven't cleaned out her stall, but the shavings have held up beautifully. Day 2. Just to give you a comparison, this is the stall next to Aggie's, which is a combination, it appears, of shavings and hay. A lot of hay. Look at the color difference in terms of the material. Darker, dustier, and more straw or hay in it. Whereas our material, much brighter. And she seems to be happy. They're going to clean out the stall, and then we'll add in a couple of new bags, and when we bring her back, we'll see what her response is. This is what has been taken out. After the first cleaning, as you can see, looks to be very absorbent. Take it all, let me show you the inside of the barn. After recharging yesterday, looks like they've taken out about 1.5 or 2 bags. We're gonna recharge it now.